I'm so excited. This is early November and this is my unboxing video from Young Living. I'm so excited. I place my order on the first of every month. So does everybody in my organization. There's a few people who don't, but practically everybody orders on the first of every month. And then it's like Christmas, wait till you see it. So the first is obviously Ningxia Red. Ningxia Red, this is a sample. I have way more than 4. You're supposed to have 4 bottles a month, like a Ningxia 4-pack, but I consume about 6 or 7 because I really want to have antioxidants infuse my body. So I love this. Yeah, and though I haven't received it yet, I got my Christmas catalog, and the first thing I found in it is these premium dryer balls. On the very first page of the Light the Way catalog is these dryer balls, and my wife wanted it, so I placed a special order just a day or 2 ago, and that'll be coming really soon. I just wanted to tell you about it. So the first page of the catalog, and this I made a special order for. It's called, here, let me show it to you, Seedlings. And Seedlings is the humorous way that Young Living describes the products they have for babies, like their little seedlings. And I have a kind of a rash or something on the back of my left hand, and I wanted to know what to do. So I asked a healer, and she recommended calendula oil. So I looked up calendula in the Young Living website, and they don't sell it as a separate oil, but they sell it inside this product, and it's a diaper rash cream. Calendula is for skin problems, so it's very appropriate that it would be inside a diaper rash cream, and therefore it must be very gentle. And I've been putting it on my hand, and my hand is healing very fast. So that I've been using because I put in a special order just for this. And now, let me see what else I got. These are the little tubes that they ship the oils in. Let's see what oils I got. I got eucalyptus as a bonus. When you make a big order, you get bonuses. And this one, this is called, I always have trouble pronouncing it, copaiba. And I know what eucalyptus is. We all know that. Every time you've been in a spa, you smell eucalyptus. It's for breathing. And copaiba, I'm going to have to read and find out what it's for. It probably smells great. And this, oh my gosh, this is my Luscious favorite. Oh my gosh, Luscious Lemon Foaming Hand Cream. It's a foaming hand cream. You press the top down. I don't have water here, so I can't do it. You press the top down, and it comes out as a foam, and you rub it on your hands, and then smell it. Oh my gosh, it comes in 3 flavors. I got Luscious Lemon this time because we used it up. It comes in 3. It comes in Luscious Lemon, Lavender, which is amazing, and Thieves, which is amazing. And anytime we run out, I just order more because I want to have 3 different flavors around the home. Oh, and I think I ordered a Christmas one too. Let me see what's in here. Now, what is this? I've never had this before. Oh yes, this is Shutran Shave Cream. Shutran, I don't know what Shutran means, maybe I should look it up. But it's shaving cream, and I bet you it smells just delicious. Let me just see if I can open it really quickly and smell it. So guys, if you want a wonderful shave cream infused with essential oils, wow, I can't wait to shave. In the lockdown, I've hardly shaved at all, but I can't wait to shave now. And what else do we have? Oh, here's some more oils. They come in this long tube so they won't get injured in any way. And this one is pine. Wow, pine. And the reason I ordered pine is because my wife and I absolutely love Northern Lights Black Spruce. Northern Lights Black Spruce. First of all, it smells delicious. It's my favorite smell of the whole Young Living catalog, so I diffuse it. But also, we have it on the diffuser beside our bed because it helps sleep. It really, really helps sleep. And pine, I figured might be the same kind of smell as Northern Lights Black Spruce, so I wanted to try it. I'm gonna do it right now. I'm gonna open it right in front of you. Here we go. Oh, oh, oh my gosh, it's like I'm sleeping in a coniferous forest. Oh my God, I can't wait to diffuse that. Oh, I'm so excited. Oh, this is my favorite. Oh my gosh, wait till you see this. Wait till you see this. This is organic dried wolfberries. Organic dried wolfberries. It's a snack. Wolfberry is the same as goji berry. And instead of putting it inside Ninja, which of course they do, you can also have it dried as a snack. So you just open it up like this. Open it up like this. And you can hear it's dried, so it's kind of crunchy. And then you just take a small amount in your hands like this. It tastes so good. This is in my regular order every single month. Every single month, I make sure I get at least one bag of organic dried wolfberries. Actually, I usually get 2, but we're packing to move, and somebody packed away one of my bags of dried organic wolfberries, so I know it's around the house somewhere, and when we move to the new place, we'll find it. So I just got one this time. Oh, and some more oils, I can't wait. Oh, see, I placed my order, and then it comes like 6 days later, so I've forgotten what I've ordered. Eucalyptus, oh, man, I love eucalyptus. And lavender. My wife and I have decided that there are certain oils which we are going to get every single month no matter what. And one is lavender, so it's permanently on our monthly order. In Canada, it's called monthly order. In the United States, it's called ER monthly order. And in England, it's called Essential Rewards. You click on that button in order to place your order. And we have lavender, eucalyptus, and Northern Lights Black Spruce, and the wolfberries, and Ninja, always, always, always. And also, whichever one of the foaming hand soap that we've run out of. Oh my gosh, there's more oils. Oh, this is like Christmas every month, like the 5th or 6th of every month. It's like Christmas. This is, oh, I gotta tell you this story. Bergamot. Bergamot. What the heck is bergamot? I'd never heard of it before. I mean, I've heard of roses and geraniums or something. I've never heard of bergamot. But my wife's favorite tea is Earl Grey tea. And Earl Grey, the flavor of Earl Grey is bergamot. So she suggested that I buy the essential oil, and then when she buys loose flakes of Earl Grey tea, and we put loose flakes in a little container and pour the hot water in, and that's what makes her tea. And so she suggested, why don't we put in a little extra dab of bergamot to make the tea even more Earl Greyish? It's just an experiment. We're just trying it. Bergamot. Maybe I'll actually pour it on the dried leaves before I make the tea to make it even stronger. Maybe that'll allow us to use fewer leaves. I don't know. We're just experimenting. Bergamot. Bergamot. And then another copaiba because it came for free. Oh, and then there's more. More. I think this is the last item in the bag. Yeah, it's the last item. Is the Thieves. This is the Thieves laundry soap. The Thieves laundry soap. We don't use any of the harsh chemical crap that other people buy in stores. We will not buy that harsh chemical crap. And so just to make sure we don't run out, I bought 2. And when this one is empty, then just as we start the other one, I'm going to order it, so we always have one in spare. And this is for laundry soap, but there's also Thieves for cleaning dishes and for cleaning tubs and tiles and toilets and windows. You just dilute it different amounts. Wow. So I think there's another one. No? Oh my gosh. That's the end of Christmas. Oh my gosh, those are all the wonderful things we bought. So if you're wondering what you should buy, absolutely you need Ningxia, absolutely. And it's the Ningxia 4-pack. In Canada, it's 304,403. In the United States, it's 304,4 for a Ningxia 4-pack. That alone is 130 PV, and your minimum order is only 100 PV. PV means product value. It's the international currency that Young Living uses so that no matter what country you're in, you have the same minimum. And so if you just order Ninja, you've got your minimum easily. But I also got seedlings for the rash on my hand, and I got pine. Oh, where is my Northern Lights Black Spruce? Oh, I don't understand. Huh. I always have Northern Lights Black Spruce. I don't know, I'll have to go through my invoice. Maybe it's coming separately. But I always get Northern Lights Black Spruce, and I always get lavender, I always get eucalyptus, and then we get some ones for free, and I tried the bergamot just for fun, and I got this shave cream just for fun. And this, oh my gosh, this is the most delicious snack on earth. Organic dried wolfberries. Wow, wow, wow. So much fun. I'm having so much fun with Young Living. And that's my unboxing video for November. If you already placed an order, congratulations. If you haven't placed your order yet, then this will give you some ideas of what you could order and what I did order. Okay, bye-bye.